Hello and welcome. It's Jelly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Except it's pouring with rain and we're going to have some very flooding weather. So what better to stay home, create, eat ice cream, watch movies. Yeah, my painting saves the day for me, for sure. So today I'm doing a split composition on a 60 by 30 canvas. I've got a lovely sparkling turquoise on one side, and this is my black navy on another. So I'm going to split the composition and hopefully work some magic. So let's see how we go. Okie doke. I'm going to try and swipe just with my black paint up there to see if I like the effect. I don't think it's floating my boat, so it was just something I'm going to try. I was thinking, it's just completely going to make the whole canvas look black. So I will just put a little bit of my Berry Delicious, or it's the dark purple, just mixed with the Australian Floetrol. So I'll do an Aussie slide. I call them Aussie slides because it's Australian Floetrol that's making that effect of the lovely lace. Look at the lacy effect that creates in the Aussie slide, that's for sure. I'm just doing some puddle pours in the bottom dark bit. So it's just my normal mix of acrylic paint. In the description is how I mix my paints for those that don't know. So that was the white, and now I'm adding a lovely gold. So I'll just layer the colours in a puddle and then move on to my next stage. But I am really, really loving those slides, how they give it a 3D effect. So I've added some nice bright orange and some yellow, and that I'm putting on top is my Australian Floetrol mixed with the purple, so as to create some more lace when I come to blow them out. Just giving a quick whiz over with my heat wand, ready for my little blow dryer. And here we go. Oh boy, I just love that effect. It's not overly sort of sailed and lacy, but the colours look beautiful. And with a little tweaking that I'll do with my skewer through it, I always love these pours, and they really do look like that flower or bloom is just floating there. It's just as easy once you've got the paint consistency and just persistence right in going for it. And of course I add my touch, which is my balloon I use as my tool instead of a spatula or a brush, I guess. And I just love the effects, so I really love this one. I hope you do too. Wow, wow, wow. Look at those gorgeous, gorgeous lacy cells. And then the Aussie slides up here turned out beautifully, actually much better than what I anticipated, giving it like a very 3D floaty effect. It's just a very, very nice background for it. So that's then my flowers in here. Just gorgeous. Very, very happy with those. So that was nice and easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Nice and relaxing. Look at those lovely effects in there, in the whole piece. So I'm going to leave that to dry, and I'm going to finish off my edges. I think I'm just going to go round with the black edge, and that's a gorgeous floating bloom, a blown out puddle pause. So I hope very much that you enjoyed that today. I want you all to take care. If you're feeling sad, lonely, upset, please ring a family member or a friend. Nobody has to suffer in silence, or a helpline. So please take care, my lovelies. Until tomorrow, bye for now.